Hey guys, today we are looking at this anti-explosion machine. An explosion-proof compressor is a specialized equipment designed to safely operate in hazardous environments where there's a risk of explosion. These compressors are designed to prevent sparks from igniting flammable substances in the surrounding area. They are crucial in industries such as oil and gas, chemical processing and manufacturing, where explosion gases and dust are presented. So for more information, please log to my blog at chinacompressor.org. Thank you very much.